Have you ever wished you could make an agreement that always runs exactly as promised, with no cheating, no middleman, and no delays? That's exactly what a smart contract does. Today, we'll break down what smart contracts are, why they're important, and how they're shaping the future of crypto, all in plain English. A smart contract is basically a computer program stored on the blockchain. Instead of needing a lawyer, banker, or company to enforce a deal, the code itself makes sure the rules are followed. Think of it as a digital vending machine. You put in money, the machine automatically gives you a snack. No cashier needed. That's exactly how smart contracts work with crypto. Smart contracts follow an if this then that rule. If a condition is met, then the contract executes. If you send 1 ETH to the contract, then it automatically sends you a token in return. No waiting, no approval needed, and no one can stop it once it's on the blockchain. So what are smart contracts used for? Here are some examples. In gaming, they let players trade in-game items as NFTs. In finance, they power decentralized exchanges and lending platforms. In art, they automatically pay royalties to artists whenever their work is resold. Basically, smart contracts open the door to trustless agreements in almost any industry. Smart contracts bring some huge benefits. They're transparent. Anyone can check the code. They're fast, no paperwork or middlemen. They're reliable. They always run as programmed. But there are also challenges. If the code has a bug, it can't be easily changed. Hackers sometimes exploit weak contracts. Once deployed, it's hard to stop or reverse. Why does this matter? Smart contracts are like the building blocks of the crypto world. They're what make decentralized apps, DeFi, NFTs, and even DAOs possible. Without them, crypto would just be digital money. With them, crypto becomes an entire ecosystem of trustless agreements that could change how the world does business. And that's the simple breakdown of smart contracts: what they are, how they work, and why they matter. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Block Basics, and comment below. Where do you think smart contracts will be used the most? Finance, gaming, or something totally new?